Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 32 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. I've got some great news for you today. So we're currently at 7,204 listings that's running on our account. Let's go ahead and check our orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 39.60 plus the $20, 5.60, 30.60, 7.60, 7.60, 23.60, 3.60, 43.60, 111.60 plus the 20, 22.60 plus the 20, 7.60, 160, 111.60. Okay, so let's go to our performance and check our traffic. Beautiful. So we are currently at 525,000 impressions, something along those lines, and we are at 1,200 something listings. Okay, and we have sold around 11 sales. 4 of them came from organic, while the other 7 came from promoted listing. Okay, we have 8.7 million impressions in the last 30 days, and that has converted into 10,563 listing views, and that has given us 138 minus the 12 that came in the other day, which is 126 items that we sold as of today. So our click-through rate is still 0.1%, while our sales conversion rate is increasing. It's at 1.3%. So guys, everything is looking beautiful. As you guys are seeing, we started getting orders, and 2 of them was valued at $110. So that's at least 220 bucks just by itself. We are continuing to scaling. We're getting more and more sales every day. We're getting more visibility. eBay is liking us because they know that we are taking care of their accounts. We have 34 feedbacks already. In the 31 days, we have 34 feedback that's counted. So for those who are curious, hey, if they see the Amazon box, wouldn't that cause an issue? Let's go ahead and check our feedback. So we have 34 feedbacks, as you can see, and guess what? 34 of them are positive. So if that doesn't blow you out of the water, I don't know what it does. In the last 32 days, we've generated over 126 sales with 34 positive feedback, having a 100% positive feedback score. And I'm giving you guys a daily sales update. If you're a watcher and you're waiting to get started, and if this doesn't get you started, I don't know what it's going to take for you to get started. So guys, remember, I have 2 offers that I offer. One is a mentorship program where I hold your hand and replicate the success, replicate all these positive feedbacks, all of the profits that we made. I'm going to show exactly what I'm doing for my stores, so then you can go ahead and copy the system that I have built. It's not just sales, it's a proper system that I follow every day that gets me to this profit, that gets me to this revenue, and that gets the buyers extremely happy with me. So if you're ready to get started with my mentorship program, go into the WhatsApp group and then type in mentorship program. I will show you everything that I do for my own stores. You can go ahead and replicate that for yourself. The second one is done for you method. Now, if you have no time, but you would like a side income on the side, I can partner up with you. I can run the eBay accounts for you. And at the end of the month, we're going to split the profit 50-50. You get to keep half of it. I get to keep half of it. Now, that is it for today's videos. If you guys are enjoying these series, these challenges, leave a like, give a comment, join into the WhatsApp group if you're interested in my offers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.